A closing settles, a big commission lands, and somehow far less reaches your account than the 3% you did the math on in your head. The brokerage took its split, a franchise fee came off the top, and the fees came out at the table. This is the workbook that tells you what a deal actually paid you. Gross commission is not your paycheck. On $91,000 of gross, this agent kept $67,000 after the split, the franchise fee, and the fees. And here's the part a blank spreadsheet gets wrong. The split only comes out until you hit your annual cap. After that, you keep 100%. The closings tab is the engine. Enter a sale price and your rate, and it nets every deal the way your brokerage actually does. The referral off the top, the split, the franchise fee, the per deal fees, down to your real net commission. It tracks your cap down the rows, so the deal that caps you out pays nearly the whole check. You set your model once. On the Setup tab, your rate, your split, your annual cap, any franchise fee, your per deal fees, and the mileage rate. Every other tab reads from there, so the whole workbook renets to your brokerage's exact terms. Change a few cells and it fits any shop. The deal pipeline forecasts the commission that's actually coming. Every deal you're working is weighted by how likely it stages to close. A signed contract counts for most of its commission, a fresh lead for almost none. The total is an honest forecast, not a wish list you might spend too early. You're a 1099 business, and the business has costs and miles the split never touches. The Expenses tab is a Schedule C log that applies the 50% meal rule and the $25 client gift cap for you. And the Mileage tab keeps the audit-ready log and shows the standard mileage deduction you've earned. And the dashboard pulls it all together. Gross versus net. Progress to your GCI goal, where you stand against your cap, a breakdown by side, and a suggested amount to set aside for tax. So quarterly taxes stop being a scramble, and you always know your number. A commission app charges you every month to rent your own numbers. This is a workbook you buy once and keep in Excel, Google Sheets, or LibreOffice, with a one-click Sheets copy and 5 PDF guides. Own your numbers, don't rent them. Find it at ardentworkshop.com.